That was massive. Yeah, that's massive, baby. That was massive. That was massive. This is massive. So before I got monetized on YouTube, I used to think that you only earn on YouTube when you get 1,000 views and above. I didn't know that there are still contributing factors that add to your revenue or your earnings on YouTube monthly. So this happened with this particular video I posted here on my channel, where I just came here to show my subscribers or my audience some of the items I got from Temu, and I was actually unboxing it on this particular video. So I just did it because I just wanted to show those who are interested in seeing what I had to unbox, what I actually ordered and what I actually got from Temu, because of the whole shenanigans surrounding Temu, right? So I just did this video, and to be honest with you, I didn't really get enough views. It was just 187 views as at this particular time I'm making this video. So it didn't really bother me or anything, because I didn't really post it to gain so much views, but I just posted it because I just felt the need to. I just made a video around that and all of that. Okay. So I was in total shock because I actually generated the revenue from this particular video, and I was so shocked. Like, I'm honestly shocked. I'm honestly surprised. So today I'll just be showing you the earnings. I'm not here for a long form video or whatsoever. I'm just here to show you how much I've earned so far since I posted that video. So there are a lot of contributing factors aside where your audience are watching from, aside you getting 1,000 views before you start getting paid and all of that. There are a lot of contributing factors surrounding how much you earn on YouTube. So normally YouTube actually has a specific amount you get paid for a particular video when you must have hit 1,000 views for each video, right? So that was the orientation I had. That was what I actually thought, because I just got monetized this year. Okay. So this particular video, which is my unboxing video of the items I got from Temu, I got order 87 views, just as I said earlier. My audience, I'm going to be showing you right here so that you can see where my audience are actually coming from, because there is this popular thing that it's actually real, actually, aside it being something that is being said everywhere, that when your audience are from mostly all these European countries like USA, they're from UK and Canada and all of that, that your RPM and all of that will be high. So aside that, there is actually another contributing factor to this. So I'm just going to show you all the video right here. And so this is the video. So I'll just click on it, then I'll click again. So you can see that I have a total of 487 views. Okay, and for my watch time, I have 3 hours 2 seconds. So in total, this is what it generated me just from having 187 views in a 14 minutes video. Okay, so now for the reach, you can see it was shown 26,700 times to people here on YouTube, but just 187 people decided that they want to watch what this lady right here has to say or has to unbox in this particular video. Then I'll just go to audience. So you can see that it's just Nigeria and Italy. That's what I have right here. So the next one I'm going to go to is my revenue. So before I go on ahead to show you my estimated revenue so far, the contributing factor we have again when it comes to a particular video depends on how much a particular company, let me just use the word company, pays YouTube for their products or whatever it is they have to offer to be advertised on a particular video. Let me break it down. I made an unboxing video of the items I got from Temu, right? So you know already that Temu has actually paid YouTube a specific amount of money for these our videos or these ads to be played on videos relating to something related to Temu. Okay. After uploading this particular unboxing video of the items I got from Temu, YouTube placed advert of Temu on this particular video. So the main thing here is that Temu actually paid YouTube a total amount of $107 and cents. Just $107. So you can see. So now YouTube is actually going to pay me $59 for 1,000 view. So if I had gotten 1,000 view this particular video, I would have been earning $59 for 1,000 views. So now imagine when I get like up to 10,000 views. So what am I trying to say here? Before I go into that, at the end of the day, with just 187 views, I was able to earn $1.42. What am I actually trying to say here is that it's not always by it's good to have views. It's very good because the more your views, the higher your money. But you can imagine if I had only, let's assume, 5,000 views, and each 1,000 views giving me $59. Now compare it to someone that has like 100,000 view, and each 1,000 view is giving the person like $2. So you can see that I am still way higher than that person, earning $2, sorry, per 1,000 views. So it occurred to me why they always tell you to go for high earning niche here on YouTube. It's not small money, oh. This money is big. Wow, $59. So I was really surprised that even me getting only 187 views, I still earned $1. So even if it was around 500 view, I wonder how much I would have still earned. Maybe 3 or 4 or $5. Who knows? So it's really important to actually carve out your niche on YouTube and be strategic. Know the type of niche that you carve out for yourself. Okay. And another thing is that all those people in tech, reviewing products and all of that, because all these foreign companies, they have the mind to actually pull out a huge amount of money. They'll pay YouTube to actually be advertising their products on videos that are relating to that company, what that company actually sells. Okay. So that's all I came today to share with you all. I'm excited. I'm actually happy because I didn't even know I will be generating any money from this particular video because of the low views I. So in summary, all I have to say is choose your niche and choose it wisely. This is cool money. Like, this is cool money. Imagine if it was a review I did about a car, like all this Tesla, these high like Apple products. Do you understand? Wow, that was massive. Yeah, that's massive, baby. That was massive. That was massive. This is massive. Anyways, thank you for watching today's video with me. I hope to see you next time on the same channel. Of course, I placed another order on Temu, and I'll also be coming back here to do my unboxing video. Hopefully, I just pray that I'll have millions of views, because when this happens, I'll be doing a giveaway. I'm digressing. Anyways, thank you for watching and staying with me here today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share this video in case you found this video helpful. I don't know. Thank you so much. Have a lovely time ahead of you. Bye.